If you're listening to me right now, are you ready to change your life and get your time back? Maybe you're sitting there thinking, wow, where has all the time gone? Consider all the moments you missed, the trip you didn't take, and the dream you put on hold because of a job that kept you tied down. What if 2024 is the year you decide to make a change? Imagine learning a new skills, stepping into the digital marketing world and transforming your life. Picture this, working 2 hours a day, firing your boss, and make $600 a day. Let me ask you this. How would more free time will change your life? Would it give you the chance to finally pursue your passions, travel more, or simply enjoy life's precious moment? Think about all these opportunities that you could reclaim, all the experiences you could finally have, because no matter where you are in life, there is always more room for freedom and fulfillment. Ready to take your first step towards your dream life? Type "I am ready" in the comments and get started and learn more about this amazing opportunity.